Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a continuation of our parenting and pregnancy vlog. So as you know, we have already started our parenting and pregnancy vlogs. So as part of that vlog, today we came with the unboxing of a breastfeeding pump. It's a manual pump. It's from Saga. So friends, this manual breastfeeding pump is from Swaga, SYGA. I have purchased this from Amazon. As you can see, this is from Amazon. So guys, this pump cost around 329 rupees in Amazon. The price might change little bit based on the time. You might get in some discount also. So watch this video till the end because I am also very new to this. I am going to unbox it because first time I heard there is something called manual breastfeeding pump. So I am going to unbox it. I am going to tell its feature, how to use. So please be with us till the end of this video. It will be very helpful. So without wasting more time, let's unbox it. So guys, as I have removed the outer box cover, and now this is the box. This is the box. Okay. So guys, this is written here is this bottle is approved by FDA, CE, LFGB and ROHS. So these are some institutes which provides approval on this, and it provides a very natural sucking comfort. Like when baby is sucking from this bottle, it provides like baby sucking from mom's breast itself. So it has certain tolerance limit. Like PP ingredient tolerance is 110 centigrade, so 110 centigrade, and silicon tolerance is 120 degrees centigrade. So now I'm going to. So guys, Swaga has provided a seal here. So this seal you need to break. So now I'm going to break this seal. So after breaking this seal, you can open this box. And what it contains, let me show you. So it contains a very nice small bag to carry these bottles. See, it looks it's a mixture of cotton. Very nice small bag, and you can pull it like this. I think from this side also. On both the sides you can pull it. Okay, like this. It's a very nice bag. So let me keep it aside. So other than that, what we have here? Okay, so this plastic I need to cut. So let's see. So this is the pump. And this is the below is feeding bottle, and we have this bottle cover when you want to use it for baby sucking, and then it's a manual, the user manual. So this is what basically you get it. So guys, these are the 4 basic things you are getting from this package. One is this bag, white color bag for keeping the bottle and the pump. This is the bottle cover, the cap. This is the bottle along with the pump, and one user manual. So first we will see what is there in the user manual. So the user manual shows how to install this pump, right? And then it shows whether it is sealed or not properly. Then it shows how to connect it to the mother's breast and how to pump it. So all these details are there in this user manual. And Now this is the way you need to pump. Okay, so this portion is going to connect to the mother's breast, and like this you are going to pump, and the milk is going to get stored here. You have the ml, so it contains up to 150 ml, right? So milk will get uh, filled here, and once you are done, you should remove this part, right? Connect this like this, remove this part, and this from here baby is going to suck it. Okay, hope this makes sense, right? This is pretty much for this unboxing, and we are going to now use this bottle for a baby and to see how it is going for future. So one more thing we need to make sure is this particular part is a rubber one, and it should be sealed here. This is the point number 2 is telling, this should be sealed here. So in case you get any doubt, you can check this user manual. Okay, so again I am connecting it back. Friends, the another side of the manual comes up with other information like operation method, troubleshooting, breast milk storage, which says you can store this milk up to 3 to 5 days in a refrigerator. Then breast milk heating, breast milk storage and heating notice, cleaning and disinfection of methods using notice, and a 3D diagram with some details about the heat till which it can resistance. So it has some resistance of 80 centigrade, 120 centigrade, etc. So which you can go through. I'm not reading the full manual, right? So now the reason for this video is this pump will be very useful for the mothers. You can't always directly breastfeed your baby, right? Like especially during night times. Even if you are in other walks, your husband or anybody else can help the baby in the breastfeeding without the breast. So you don't need to always have the breast for having the breast milk. So you can have the breast milk stored here. You can keep it in refrigerator for a storage purpose. Your husband, your family members can feed your baby when the mom is doing some other work, mom is in restroom, mom is sleeping, taking some rest. Still baby wants food, you can give this breast milk, because breast milk is the best milk for the baby, right? So no other milk can be equal to the breast milk. Mother's breast milk provides all the necessary things. It improves baby's immunity. It provides all the necessary vitamins to the baby. So guys, for more informative videos, please do subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. Please click on the bell icon for the upcoming videos. If you are an upcoming mom or dad, our upcoming videos are going to be very useful for you. And of course, if you like this video, please click on the like button. Let us know what are all videos you want from us, because we are new parents. We might give you the best suggestion. We are also learning. So if you want something specific, just let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.